Want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face? Good news, you don't have to. Today I'll show you 10 amazing faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can start with zero experience, zero camera, and even zero budget. Each idea is simple, profitable, and perfect for beginners. Let's begin. Number 1. Motivational and self-improvement. Motivation videos always get views because everyone wants to improve their life. You don't need to show your face, just text, simple animations, or slides. Pick topics like morning habits, how to stop procrastinating, or lessons from successful people. Add soft music and a calm voice. This niche grows fast because people want quick guidance they can use every day. Number 2. Storytelling. One of the easiest faceless niches is storytelling. Tell horror, mystery, or real-life stories using simple images or AI artwork. Your face is not needed, only your voice or text. If the story hooks viewers, they watch till the end, and that boosts your channel fast. Horror stories perform the best because people love suspense and twists. Number 3. Top 10 facts knowledge. Top 10 videos always perform well. You can cover anything: animals, mysteries, movies, crime, or science. Use stock photos, graphics, or stick figures. People love quick facts they can learn fast. These videos are evergreen, meaning viewers will search for them even years later. Number 4. Tech Explained. A faceless tech channel grows fast if you explain things in simple words. Talk about new gadgets, AI tools, apps, or easy tutorials. Topics like best apps for students or top gadgets to buy work great. Use animations, infographics, or screen recordings. Tech has high CPM, meaning more income for you. Number 5. Luxury and lifestyle facts. Luxury content attracts millions of views. Use stock clips of cars, private jets, mansions, and expensive watches. Just add interesting facts and a smooth voiceover. People love watching luxury for escape, entertainment, and inspiration. It's easy to make and perfect for faceless channels. Number 6. Health and fitness tips. A faceless health channel can grow very quickly. Use stick figures or simple animations to show exercises and healthy habits. Share basic tips about stretching, walking, diet, and daily routines. People search for health advice every day, so your videos stay evergreen. Short, clear tips is equal to fast growth. Number 7. Productivity and study hacks. You can help students and working people stay productive without showing your face. Share tips on focus, planning, study methods, and time management. Use slides, screen recordings, or animations. People love content that makes life easier. A helpful productivity channel builds trust and grows quickly. Number 8. Fun facts, mind-blowing trivia. Fun facts are short, addictive, and easy to make. Share surprising facts about animals, space, the human brain, or strange history. People love quick knowledge that shocks or entertains them. These videos get shared a lot and often go viral, all without showing your face. Number 9. Relaxing, calming sleep videos. This is the easiest faceless niche. Use rain sounds, ocean waves, or soft music. Add calming visuals like night sky, mountains, or fireplace clips. People play these videos for hours while studying or sleeping. This gives huge watch time and helps your channel grow faster. Number 10. Finance, money success list videos. Money-related videos get high views and high income. Share simple lists like business ideas, side hustles, or habits of rich people. Use clean graphics, text, or stock images. People are always searching for ways to earn more, so this niche grows quickly. These were the top 10 faceless YouTube channel ideas. All of them are easy, beginner-friendly, and can be started today. Subscribe to get more videos like that. Tell me in the comments. Which idea do you want to try first? Thanks for watching.